everyone! My name is Miss Alyssa and I would like to welcome you all to this month's virtual Little Wonders and Nature Detectives craft demonstration video. Now the theme for the month of February is For the Love of Bugs, and the craft that we are going to be making in this video is a pair of Bug Finder Binoculars. Before we get started, let's go ahead and do a quick material check. You will need 2 white craft tubes with a small hole punched out on the top. You will also need a clothespin, a piece of string, some crayons, stickers to decorate, and some tape. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. If at any point during this video you need to pause or rewind or ask an adult for help, you are more than welcome to do so. The first thing that we're going to do is color our white craft tubes. Next, we're going to take our tubes and place them so that we have both holes on the same side, just like that. And you also want to make sure that the holes are facing outward. When you have your tubes in the correct position, go ahead and take your clothespin and just plop it right on that end with the holes. And this is going to help you hold your binoculars in place for the next step. Next, we are going to take a very long piece of tape, and we're going to use this tape to stick our binoculars together. So I'm going to start off by taking one end of the tape and placing it in between the 2 rolls. And then I am going to wrap it around. And it might be a little bit sticky, so just be patient. So you can see that I am wrapping it around, tucking it into the little crack, and then continuing to wrap it around. Just like that. Now for extra security, we are going to repeat this step. So I'm going to take a long piece of tape again, and then, just like I did before, I'm going to start off by taking one end and tucking it into the crack in between the 2 tubes, and then I am going to wrap it around. And that is going to give us extra security. And in the end, it should look like this. And you'll notice that when I take the clothespin off, the tubes are still able to stick together. Next, one of my favorite parts, we're gonna go ahead and decorate with our stickers. For our last step, we are going to take our string and add it to the binoculars so that we are able to wear them. And you will need to ask an adult for help for this step as well. So I'm going to start off by taking one end of the string, and I am going to place it through one of the holes of the binocular, pull it through and out, and then tie it in a knot. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the other end of the string. I am going to place it through the hole on the other side, pull it through and out, and then tie that in a knot. And voila, you have your binoculars. Alrighty everyone, that's going to wrap up this month's craft demonstration video. I hope you take your binoculars outside and use them to explore and find some really cool insects. This is Miss Alyssa signing off for this month. I hope to see you all in next month's program. Bye!